Hello friends, in this video I am going to give a simple tips for a newcomers to share market to learn how to become a good trader. So if you're first time viewer of my channel, please subscribe my channel and all the details I will provide in the description of this video. Just enable the description like this. You can see here. Okay, first of all, if you would like to open an account with Angel Broking, use this link. You can open a free demat and trading account with Angel Broking. And if you already have an Angel Broking account, if you want to become a DRA, Digital Referral Associate, means you refer more and you have to earn a commission on the new referrals, you can this link. Okay, details my five steps I provided in the description of this video. First step is learn the basic. Second is understand about the different charges. Third step is do our own research and study. Fourth step is start with investing and move to trade. And final step is do a proper trading with a strategy. So I'll explain each step. First thing is learn the basic. In basic, there we can consider two parts. One is fundamental analysis. Second is technical analysis. Fundamental analysis is the exact health of the company, like growth factor, their loans, revenues, all these things. So at least we have to learn how to check growth of a company. Means compared to last year, this year is the growth of company is growing or company is degrowing. These things we have to learn how to check about a company. Then these all things we can easily get it from the broker website itself, or from the company website, or from the apps like Money Control, all this thing. Then we have to learn to do a technical analysis. Technical analysis is like candlestick chart, line chart, all this thing. How to check what is the performance of company today, 5 day, last month, compared to 1 year, what is the performance. These things we have to learn to check it. Then once we know how to check the fundamental and technical analysis, then we have to understand few technical terms like PE or different brokerages and other charges like security transaction tax, DP charge, GST, and how much margin we can take, how much leverage we will get it. So if you know these all things, it will help us to take a trade decision properly. Because if you take a trade and our profit is only some 10 rupee, 20 rupee, it will be a loss. Because once you have to do a trade, we have to pay minimum 20 rupees for buy side, and sell side we have to pay 20 rupees based on our brokerage. So minimum 40 rupees brokerage we are paying, and we are getting only 20 rupees. It's a loss of 20 rupee. And on back of that, we have to pay other charges like STT, DP, GST, all this thing. So minimum how much should be the gain target? These are things which we have to analyze, and then we have to enter into a trade. So then once we know all these basic times and charges, we have to do our own research. Because there are many companies around us who give a lot of recommendations, like they will give day recommendation or weekly recommendation, all this thing. But instead of believing them blindly, they may give a success rate, but if you do our own research, study, and if you are following only on few companies, we can make our own strategies. If you are doing like that things, we will be more confident of doing our own trade, and we can make our own strategies to win. And our own plan means entry plan, exit plan, at what price we can entry and what price we need to exit, or what will be the maximum stop loss we have to set. These all things we can plan on the base of our financial strength. Then for those who are coming to new, they have to start with first investing on a good quality stocks. Like if you are buying these stocks like TCS or this thing, like it's a top company, I am saying that one. Anyway, today or tomorrow, our fund will grow and we will make a revenue out of it. So first we have to set our mind to make a long-term capital gains. Then we have to think about creating a good portfolio, means investing on few companies. How it will help us is, against our portfolio holdings, we can take leverage. So it will help us to get a better trade margins. we can pledge our stock and we can make more leverages. Then we have to learn about the position trading, means we have to buy and hold for some time and sell it on the profit. So we can start to make over the period, we can start to make our own profits. So once we have the profit, trade only with that profit amount, because even though trading may help us to make a quick money, in a day we can make rich, but risk also similar. We can lose our entire capital in a single day if you are not doing a proper trade. So always trade with our profit which we generate. Then the final step is entering into trade. In the trade, as I told, we can make a quick money, but like that we can lose our entire capital. So keep in mind these three minimum steps. Never trade without a proper stop loss. Means if you are making a trade, we have a loss figure in our mind and we have to set a stop loss for that. If our trade is going against our expectation, our amount is going negative, just it should stop where we want to stop it. And without, if you do a trade with expectation it will come back, never it will going to help us and we will end up in a big loss. So do trade with a proper stop loss. Then secondly, never trade against the market trend. Means if the market is going up, better to go with a buy entry, and if the market is going down, better to go with a sell entry. If you make a market against trend with expectation market will reverse soon, sometimes it will help, but chance of helping is very less. So always better to trade along with the market movement trends. Then final and the last point is never do revenge trade. Revenge trade is if you make a trade and we made a loss and then suddenly we feel we can make one more entry and we can make a profit. Never do it, because that also will go to loss and we will become more losing mind and start to worry about it. So better to if learn to accept the loss. Okay friends, then if you I made different videos about the ICICI Direct, angel broking, and there are a lot of videos in share market. These are the playlist available. You can just check it and you can see this video. Okay friends, thanks for watching my video. If you have any questions, please put on my comment line. I can try to help you out. Then as I mentioned, if you like this video, please like it and share with your friends who are looking for entering into a share market. Thanks for watching it. Bye, see you.